something requires just Nigeria ratified the treaty in 1983 and later on domesticated that treaty and adopted it part of our own domestic laws. And a very important article in that treaty prohibited extraordinary rendition by definition, by expression, express words, not by implication. So Nigeria broke its own laws. So the people tend to think that, well, we are trying to make Nigeria's sovereignty subject to international law. No, international implications are there, but this is also our own law. So what Nigeria has done has triggered a multi-judicial response, including, of course, that of international law, Britain, and Kenya. So this is what we are dealing with right here. And to confirm to you that what happened to Martin Nnamdi Kanu is what is happening in Benin right now. So if Nigeria believes that it's easy to go into another country and grab a suspect and simply, remove that suspect and land the suspect in Nigeria, they could have succeeded in the case of Igbo. So it's playing out in the public. So there is going to be a lot of new dimensions that we're going to see as this matter is going. Thank you very much. I'm more of a man who in 1984 triggered consequences as well. So play back to that
1984. See him.
When he came up in, I saw them bed and like as if so they didn't bring it.
Okay, right now we are here at Court 3 for the Dunamis 5 case, and as it is, they are giving judgments right now.
Stop.